Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with this channel. In this video we will display the records from JSON file using reactjs, okay, the map function. So you can call an API or you have a JSON file, so you can fetch the data from that file or that API and display in your reactjs component. Okay, so let's do that. I have created a JSON file, okay, you can call an API also. I have created this JSON file which has the array of objects and then properties, ID, title, and contain every one of them. Okay, so now let's do it. So now what we should do here, first of all I will just import this data. Okay, import data from /data.json. okay, I have imported the data to this data. So now let's use that. Okay, for map function we will use curly braces, data dot map and a single element here, for example post, and then we will return. No need for the return statement. So here we will use, for example, the h2 tag will be for the title. Here I will display the title, post dot title, and also a p tag will be for the arrays that I should wrap it in a single element. Okay, in the p tag I should use the post dot content. Okay, and also for this div the key is equal to post dot id. It will be the key of this post. So now we displayed this. So after every p element we should create a horizontal line, okay, using HTML. So let's run the server. Okay, npm start. So now it will run the server, the local server. So we didn't export this, import this in our index.js file. Okay, it will give us an error. So yeah, we will just first of all import this one, display.index file in our index.js file. Okay, so here I will import that, import display records. Okay, it has imported. So now I will just call that here. So now let's see. Okay, you see that we have those posts and those, the title and those posts. So let's inspect it. We have an error warning. So one error is there while trying to use the following icon from. Yeah, it is an icon I have used, we don't use that. Okay, so what if we have nested records? For example, we have a nested record here like this. Okay, hobbies, and it is an array and it has also an array of objects. So how to show these records? So for this video you have the link in the description, so you can watch that in another video. So it was all about that, how to fetch the data from a JSON file or an API using reactjs, the map function. So if you have liked the video and you are new to our channel, so please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.